One chat for code, another for scripts, another for research, and 3 more you can't find anymore. If you use Claude every day, this is what it slowly turns into. It really doesn't have to. The problem isn't how many chats you have. It's that every single one of them starts from nothing. You re-explain the project. You re-upload the same files. You re-describe how you like things written. And then you lose 5 minutes hunting for that one chat from last Tuesday. Claude Projects fix that. A project is a dedicated workspace for one kind of work. Think of it as a room. Inside that room, you keep the conversations, the files, and the instructions that belong to that work together in one place. A project for your channel, one for the app you're building, one for whatever you're studying. Each one stays in its own lane. Here's where it gets useful. Add the files that matter. Your brand guidelines, your past scripts, your architecture notes. Then write project instructions. How you want Claude to write, what to assume, what to avoid. Every chat you start inside that project begins with that context already in place. You stop repeating yourself. So how should you organize them? Keep it simple. One project for one ongoing area of work, not one for every small task. If it has its own context and it's going to keep going, it earns a project. A developer keeps a backend project. Code, architecture, docs. A creator keeps a content project. Scripts, brand voice ideas. A student keeps a learning project. Notes, material, questions. Same idea every time. Keep the context together. So stop treating Claude like a pile of random chats. Start treating it like a set of workspaces. One for each thing you actually do.